This is Kalong Island. Kalong Island is part of the Komodo National Park in Indonesia. Kalong is the local name for flying foxes, the largest bats in the world that inhabit the island below. Every day, something both magical and mysterious happens during sunset. Inside the thick mangrove forest, thousands of flying foxes emerge from their roost. Silhouetted by a glorious setting sun, the vermilion sky is alive with these giant kalongs as they fly towards the mainland to look for food. Flying foxes help to maintain the balance of our ecosystem by pollinating plants. The king of fruits, the durian that we love to eat ourselves silly with and is part of our culture, is pollinated by kalongs. During the next durian season, let's remember the flying foxes.